So guys, as you can see, Thika town downtown is also beautiful. A lot of businesses, a lot of people. You can see guys, people going about their business, tall buildings. You can see malls here, okay? These are parks, even people are resting and so forth. This is a very beautiful town, to be frank guys. And also businesses are booming here. It is a major industrial town, economic activities. Look at all those guys. You can see that there's Mathai supermarket. You know, it's a beautiful town, okay? Down there you can see other buildings too. There's Zero Gym, there's Hampton Towers there, properties there and so forth. So if you're a business person, this could be an awesome town for. Look at that park guys. People can rest there, you know, and so forth. It is a very beautiful town. And as you can see, small businesses all over. Such a marvelous town. And also guys, one thing you've noticed that this town is actually being kept clean. You can see the county is doing work here to ensure the town is very clean. Many towns in Kenya which are actually dirty within the central business district of downtown. This town is very clean, as you can see. The county is doing a lot of work to ensure it is clean. What do you think about this town, guys? See how organized the parking is. And guys, this is the downtown area of the town. Everything is organized, businesses are organized, even the parking area is doing a good chunk of work to ensure that the town is awesome. What do you think about this, guys? Comment down below. What do you think about this? The town is very clean, as you can see. Thika town, which is the biggest town in Kiambu County. Thika is not the headquarters of Kiambu. Yes, it's Kiambu town which is the headquarters, but it is the biggest town in Kiambu County, and it has a population of over 300,000 people. Right ahead of me, guys, you can see there's a Thika Oshwal, which is the temple of the Hindu people here in Thika. Look at it, guys. Also, it's very beautiful and it's very clean, right? Look at it, guys. This is the Oshwal of Thika, which is the Hindu temple, right? Also, it's very clean, well maintained. I'm just covering, yeah. So, guys, as you can see, that's the awesome, beautiful Thika downtown. It's so good, right? And now we're heading here. I'm gonna show you some other banking areas like this KCB, Mortgage Bank, and so forth. Look, this is another Hindu property here in Thika town. Sirigwarara, Thika. Other awesome Hindu property. So guys, I'm about to go and show you some awesome where there's banks, there's also government offices and so forth. So guys, still I'm in Thika town. As you can see, it is a very beautiful town and a lot of economic activities, okay? You can see there's banks here, there's businesses, everything just awesome in this town, right? Look at it, guys, how businesses are organized, all these tall buildings. It's just fascinating. Vehicles. But one thing I need to insist, guys, this town is very clean. Look at it. This downtown is very clean. Thika town. I think, to be frank with you guys, after Nakuru main central business district, I think this is the second town I've seen which is this super clean. Look at the way it is, guys. No litter around, super clean, and also businesses are thriving. They're doing all over. You can see businesses are doing well. Such an awesome footage of Thika town. Very beautiful, right? Very, very beautiful, guys, as you can see. This is the beautiful Thika town, yeah? Awesome footage, clean town, awesome buildings. So when we reach there, there's the KCB mortgage building there. I'm also gonna go down and show you the stadium area, which actually is the boarding point for vehicles going towards the other areas in Thika, like for example Makongeni, Juakali, and so forth. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this is a very beautiful town. Look at this, all these businesses, organized parking, and also the town is very, very busy, as you can see. So this is the main monument in the town, guys. This monument here, which you see right ahead, is a monument in the form of a pillar, has been here for over 100 years. It was erected here by Europeans in early 1900s when they were coming to occupy Thika town in early 1900s. You know, monument there. You can see this other side is the Christina Wangari Park town, right? And then you can see businesses here are thriving, they're doing well. Look at it, guys. Here downtown, look at that, guys. Businesses here in Thika town are doing very well, as you can see. Look at all those banks, clean roads. Look at that, guys. The other side is the county offices, which you can see very, very well. But now they are near the county offices also, guys. I'm gonna limit my filming a bit because what you just see ahead there, those are the county offices. So any place you want here, any service around sub-county here, this is the place to get services. Right ahead, those are the county offices, okay? Sub-county area. Yeah, so guys, I'm heading down there to show you where Thika Stadium is. That's also a very, very legendary stadium in this country, Thika Stadium. I'm going to show you where it is. And of course, on my right side, I'm not filming, but of course here you can see this at the counter fort on the right filming, but you can see this side we have all these banks here. Business is doing well. And still, one thing you need to note, guys, the town is very, very clean still, right? This is very, very clean, guys, okay? This entire area here is the Thika Stadium. On the green wall there, going all over around. A very big stadium. See major hospital 7. This is the Avenue Hospital in Thika. Look at that building, guys. That's the Avenue Hospital in Thika. So you can see people's health and well-being is also taken care of by the county, okay? And as I told you, this is the Thika Stadium. Also a major stadium here, which is a key place used for sports and so forth, right? So guys, comment down below. What do you think about Thika town? How is it? How do you find it? Is it awesome? Is it better than your town? What do you think about it, guys? Right? Look at it. The other side you can see the awesome forests around this Thika town. Look at it, guys. It is very awesome, right? And of course down here is where also the judiciary is. Judiciary Environmental Court area. But you can see some green vegetation on the other side. Thika is very, very clean. And of course we're going around the stadium, still around Thika Stadium, which is also a major stadium in this awesome town. Look at it, guys, Thika Stadium. Okay? And then as I've told you side, I won't film there too because also this is an area. Guys, you can see the Huduma Center in Thika. And of course, as I said, guys, businesses here are doing well, booming. All is just going on very well, you know. Things are awesome in this town, you know, businesses are doing well. And of course, at the very far end, what you can see there is apartments where people live in this beautiful town. Far down there, that's a slope. It's telling you guys you're going far and far. You get into the greeneries of Thika town, whereby you go past there, you're going towards the other areas of Chania Falls, going towards the mountain industries and so forth. So that is where Thika town is. So I'm going back to the main center, but this is the beautiful Thika town, guys. What do you think about it? As you can see, it's very awesome. Businesses are doing well. The town is very clean. And also the other side, the town is very, very green. Right, guys? I hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and also share your thoughts down below in the comment section. How awesome is Thika town? I hope you find it very awesome and exciting section, and let's continue engaging there. Cheers, guys.